You're looking to rejuvenate, rehabilitate, take your old barbecue, woo, baby, and make it new. It smell like it's roses out here. Here we are with brand new insides, except a part or two. Well, I am going to shut my grill off and I'll let it run for a number of minutes. So this way, when I'm ready to barbecue again, it's good to go. And then having to preheat it the next time around. Come a little closer. Let me just show you what it looks like now and how to get it going for your needs. Come close. Brand new insides, most of it. It's what a new barbecue always looks like. But when you got an old one, wouldn't you want to make it look like this? 13-inch cuts. That's all you basically need to do. Change everything out. Let's get going. On fish. The Charcoal Broil Barbecue King Advantage 2 Universal Parts. You're going to need something to cut with, something to measure with. The parts that you need are listed below. This is Charbroil Advantage. It's a grill. And no, the radio don't come with it, but I am going to listen to music while I do the review. This is one part burner, not for this grill, but they are universal for all grills. It's a 4-burner. This is a 3-burner. So I am going to be replacing the burners with that particular part. And then we got here is Mr. Barbecue briquettes, 60. I'm going to save the old ones, some of them, because sometimes you don't get enough. You may be missing 5 or 6 of them, but I'm going to change them out with that. And of course, this is the grill. Now, the grill on this is porcelain. This is a different type of porcelain. It is a replacement one. You get this as a kit with the burner and the grill. I'm going to show you what I'm going to do again. I'm going to clean out all the insides and put the briquettes in and just have a flame. So there's a lot of work to be done here. So let's get on going. This is the grill. They come well protected. There are 2 sides to the grill. There's a flat side with its little lips over here. They're half the thickness as the original ones. Or are they? They just look a little different. As you can see the difference in the quality, old versus new. They're identical in every single way. The little pieces underneath, but the top is gray, this is black, and that's what happens when you use it for a couple of years. So what we're going to be doing to this grill grate is cutting it down to size and putting it underneath so it can hold the briquettes. This is going to take me just 10 minutes, but no, it's going to take me a good afternoon or a couple of hours. I got work to be done, and that's what is going to be done. So I'm going to take all my parts out, get everything out of here, what I need. Maybe I'll just put it away, put it to the side, and then come back when I need it. I'll bring it out again. This is a new briquette, not really worn out, but coming on to the other side that's really cooked. You can still save them. And they used to be like this, double the thickness, no more. Take your burner covers, put them to the side, because they're not needed, and take all your little briquettes out. Well, let's place this to the side, try not to lose him, get him out of our way. In here, I still got stuff to take out, like my tray. I should take the burners out, but I do want to take all the ashes from the wood and everything else out. So what I am going to do is burn everything off, clean this up, and then let it cool down and come back later. Yep, a scoop at a time. I'm going to pull the pins out. I'm going to take out my burners, and then I'll just place them back in when I need to. I got to watch out for this one because it's got the plug on it. Let's start to light this bad boy up. Get a flame going. Get the other side going. And we're all good. So now what we're going to do is just scrape it on down. Well, this measures 16 7/7, and I have to come in here and do some measurements while the grill is on. And I'm going to be going to something like 14 1/4. So 14 1/4. I'm going to take some tape. I'm going to wrap it around something like this. Cut that bad boy off like that. Well, do my cutting. Basically, I scored everything, so I don't need the tape. Get rid of it. Just save it for the next one. But I can come over here and just, cut it down. While this is cooking, and I could drop it in there. Perfect. There I go. I got one grate done. I got 2 more to go. Well, I need to put in the cut grates. Burn off all that oil that's on there, right? Well, to be exact on my measurements, 13 inches is what you actually need. So this way you could bring it in there correctly, place them in, they lock into place. I could just file this down just a little bit, but it's in there the way I want it. I want it clean. Take these all out, get rid of them. I can save them, they're still good. I'm just gonna put new ones in. This here, I gotta go under to get the spark plug out. So might as well just come here. Already changed the battery out. Take this off. Put the battery back in the way it came out. Everything, because you don't want to lose anything. And pull the one that goes to there. Done. Open the bad boy up. Let's hope they measure the right ones, because like I said, I got no idea if they're the right size or not. And they are. I got 4 of them. I'm going to save the rest in case in the future any of them goes. Put the bad boy in. Feel for it. I'm not going to lock that one in because I got to come back anyway. Well, the hardest part here is wiring up the spark plug. Just slide it through. Pull this out. You can see how this is going to clamp on. over here. So this way, these little holes, they light it up right there. Slide the lead through. As long as they match in the hole, they go in the hole. These things, you just simply slide them through. Place them on top like so. But make sure you put them on the right way. Arrow towards you. You got coupler pins that go here, so this way these things don't move. You need these large coupler pins that they don't give you, and they go on there just like that. These little ones, they're not going to do the trick. That's what the old ones look like. Remember this over here? Don't touch these leads and have that battery in there. You'll shock yourself. Put this all back in again. Close it back on up. Make sure you put the battery in correctly, right? To show you that there's the spring, there's the battery, positive, facing out, in like so. Turn the gas on, light up. Good to go. Shut everything down. You're still not done. You got to put these covers on. And my covers go over here. In here. Squeeze them on. And there they go. They're just a little too big. So I'm going to put my old covers on. If I really need to put them on, I got to do a lot of cutting like that. Well, I got to put my grates in. Smack them in on top. Dress up my barbecue with briquettes. Like I said, 60 don't cut it. It just about covers the barbecue. So I have to go get some of the old ones. I'm good to go. Now I need to put the old covers back on. Don't you just love when you block the camera's view? Put the new grates on. Make sure they go on the right way. Run the barbecue for 15 minutes. Ooh, nice and quiet. Well, I'm all done. It took me a camera's battery usage. This I couldn't use. I got a lot of cleaning up to do. So I got to remember this is on. And when I'm ready to barbecue, I'm good to go. Like a brand new barbecue. Charbroil advantage with universal parts. I hope you could, change out your internals and make your old-fashioned barbecue last forever. On Fish, and I catch you on many other videos to come. See ya!